Are you searching for the best baby feeding bowls? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best baby feeding bowls. We recommended the top 5 best baby feeding bowls in the video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best baby feeding bowls, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Munchkin Step Put Suction Bowl. The bowl is designed to make baby lid weaning and spoon feeding a breeze with 3 different size and suction. The bowls are made out of BPA-free plastic that's safe for children of all ages, and they are even dishwasher safe. If you are concerned about size, these 3 pack of bowls come with 3 different unique sizes which can accommodate children over the age of 6 months. Also, its substance seems like a hassle to disengage. This is no need to worry because the suction can be disabled by quick release tab on each side of the bowls. Babies are known to play with their foods, and result is towel going flying. To combat the issue, the Munchkin Step Put Suctions bowl use suction to hold the bowls firmly in the place. So even if your little one takes a swing, the bowl stays where it is supposed to be. The Munchkin Step Put Suctions bowl is very easy, affordable of the number of bowls you get. Number 2. Nami bowls. This Nami bowls is everything you want in a baby bowls, plus more. Nami suctions powder is incredibly strong. The design is durable and it fits on all the high chairs. It is safe to put in the dishwasher, microwave, freezer and oven. Parents will also love the mixing of the brights as well as a neutral color to choose from. And all the Nami's products are plastic free, a win of environmentally conscious parents. Number 3. Bamboo Baby Plates with Suction. This is a new renewable resource, therefore the plate is eco-friendly and the healthiest option for your little one. The bamboo plates also features top-notch suction powder. Honestly, one of the best in the bunch, a feature we applaud. The plate is not microwave or dishwasher safe, and it requires hand washing with warm soapy water. The suction base is removable for when your child outgrows. And the plates come into the variety of animals and suctions based colors. Also, bamboo is not immune to drop like silicone and stainless steels, and you wondered about the long-term durability. When hand wash the plate, remove the silicone base to allow the product to dry in full. If not trapped, moisturize can encourage mildew. We recommend this eco-friendly and healthy non-toxic plate to those who do not mind some minor maintenance. Bamboo is similar to skin, and more it is exposed to elements such as water, the more it becomes dry, eventually leading to cracking and splitting. Therefore, this plate will require some maintenance. An application of oil like coconut oil should be applied once a month to keep the material hydrated. Number 4. EZPZ Mini Mat. This EZPZ mat adds a smile literally to mealtime while supporting motor skill development. The 3 section help reminds parents to provide a balanced meal with a variety of foods. Its package is a reusable bag that you can carry in your diaper bag. This mat fits most high chairs and the entire plate section for medium stability. Parents with space-saving high chairs says that mat is too big for the high chair tray. Number 5. Bumpkin Suction Silicone Baby Feeding Set. This shell marble design is excellent for the parents who wants the hardiness of baby bowl with a more sophisticated look. This is a silicone bowl, and while it's top ranking dishwasher safe, it may be required a sterilizing socks from time to time to remove stain. In addition to the beautiful design, its set includes a baby spoon and lid to facilitate storage. The bowl is also great for traveling and babies or for on the move.